So what got you started in this industry?
Well, how I got started in this industry is I was recommended after graduating college. I was recommended to go into sales, which I was recruited by a mortgage company that did non-conforming type of loans, such as not the best credit type of loans. So when I went to interview, they kind of told me what they did. They helped underprivileged people buy houses. What are underprivileged? More people that didn't have the best credit at the time. So how I got in the business at first is I was able to work with people who didn't have the best credit. Once I started learning that, how to help people who didn't have the best credit, back then they weren't giving out credit. I'm talking about 1996, almost 30 years ago. And then what I did is from there, I learned these other different programs that help people purchase properties, such as FHA and VA and conventional type loans that allowed people to help purchase that had better credit. So not only was I able to work with people that didn't have the best credit, but I worked with people who had the best credit. And over the years, you learn the different programs. So why do I like doing this? Well, I like not only helping people get their dream house or get a house, because once a person buys a house, it's like almost giving them an avenue to save money. Why? Because their house becomes their biggest asset. And if they pay off the house, it's like having a bank account. Their house is their bank account. A lot of people don't do 401ks. So the house is also like a 401k. So it gives me a lot of happiness to help people. Let's start off and get a chance at home ownership because nobody wants to rent forever. You know, it's just like throwing money away and you know, you're the realtor, or not the realtor, but the landlord controls your life. So I just feel like it's a great way to help people get financial freedom. Another thing that I like doing is sometimes people get in bad jams, such as they have a lot of credit card debt, but they have a house they've been paying on. I like to help them refinance or do an equity line to take money out, pay off their credit cards, and give them a restart rather than try to go like bankruptcy or ruin their credit. Because I've seen too many people ruin their credit, and it's like almost like being in jail once you screw up your credit. So if you're ever in a jam or anything like that, you have equity in the house, give me a call. Let's try to find out a solution that works best, not only for you, but maybe for your future and paying back that debt. So that's another reason why I love doing this business is I do help people, help them with their financial situation. Another thing I like doing with helping people buy houses is I like people that not only do they buy a house, but they pay down on the house and then they have what's called like a retirement later, or they have something to give their kids. And I think that's just so important nowadays that, you know, that we try to hang from tradition or from generation, you know, to other generation. It might not be $1 million, but it's something. So the children could have a great start with their life, or maybe, you know, they can maybe one time purchase a house, or they even move into the house and they keep the legacy of the house and the family. So I got a lot of ways that I'm very happy doing this business.